Nope. Whoa, it took off. Left him. So much for those weights.
Let go.
So cute. They're supposed to pull the weight. I'll try that one again, huh? Oh, he's full of dust already. Alright. We got time to do a few of these little poles here. There we go. Ready, set, go. Oh, he's just spinning. He's just spinning in the dirt. And he left it behind. Look at the spinning going on. Well, that was the end of that one, huh? Ah, adding a little more weight. Thinking that might help? I don't know about that. There you go. There you go. He's pulling his weight. Look at that, look at that. All right, made it full pull. Remote control pulling. That is so cool. What are they going to come out with next, huh? All part of good old entertainment. Something to do while they're taking all these weights out. And when they're done the doom boogie pulling. So they're going to entertain us a little bit with these guys here. Alright, let's see who's next. Some more remote control pull. Alright. Okay, next on deck. Here we go. Hey, go, go. Oh, he's just spinning. He's just spinning. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go, go. Oh my God, he's spinning. Almost made his tires go sideways. What's his big problem now? That's putting him in with the gravel here. Alright, filling that in. He needs fresh. There you go, buddy. Ah, let's go. There you go, there you go. Whoa, that's as far as he's going. All right. There's a couple of these pulls here. Hope you're enjoying this. Or he still don't want to give up. I think they need to be on grass and not on the gravel. Might work better, huh? What do you think? Okay. Let's see who's on deck next. All right. Ooh, look who's coming up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, he's peppy. He's got to back up peppy. Oh, jumped right to it. He wants in. Alright. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. When the dust settles, you will see he did a full pull. He's there. See? Full pull. Told you when the dust settled you'd see it. Alrighty. Good job. Alright, he seems like he's the little winner right now, isn't he? Oh, look at him. Hey, he's got some pep behind him. Good truck. Peppy fella. Alright. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.